In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight every other row in Excel. Let's get started. To highlight every other row in an Excel table, we'll start by selecting the applicable area. Then in the Home tab, navigate to the Conditional Formatting and click on New Rule. A window will appear and you'll choose Use a formula to determine which cell to format. Now to highlight all the odd rows, like rows 3, 5, 7, and so on, begin by typing the equal sign. And then enter the formula ISODD. We're focusing on highlighting rows, so proceed with an opening bracket. Type row, ROW. Add empty brackets. And close with another bracket. This is the complete formula to highlight every odd row. Now it's time to specify how to highlight the rows. Click on Format. And you'll find various formatting options. For row highlighting, navigate to the Fill tab. And choose a color, like this pale green. Of course, you have the freedom to select any color you prefer. Once you've figured everything, click OK twice. And see the results. Every other row in the table is now highlighted based on your settings. The beauty of conditional formatting is that even if you use filters to reorganize your data, the row highlights remain consistent. They don't shift with the data, ensuring your table remains visually organized and clear. But what if you need to highlight every even row? It's straightforward. Here's how. Click anywhere within the data table, go to Conditional Formatting, and choose Manage Rules. You will see the current rule, which highlights every odd row. To revert the highlighting even rows, click the rule and then click Edit Rule. Simply replace odd with even in the formula, keeping the rest of the formula unchanged. Click OK, and then OK once more. And you're done. Each even row in the table is now highlighted. Before we conclude, there's one more thing to mention. To remove the formatting from the table, go to Conditional Formatting and select Clear Rules. Then choose Clear Rules from entire sheet to remove the highlighting swiftly. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.